when you're starting to use a drone, you really need to know the regulatory requirements, not only local, state, and federal, before you start to use a drone, because in a commercial setting, that can get you into a lot of trouble. In this particular situation, we're dealing with the 10th Judicial Circuit Courts. So inside that building, when we're flying a drone outside of it, even though it was an infrared camera, if somebody sees that drone and we don't communicate with the people and coordinate that into that, we can get a lot of people stirred up in a lot of things. So coordination and communication are key because of the sensitive information that it takes place within that structure. And when we're working on our jails, same thing, that we use drone to look at our roof, and if we're having moisture problems or things like that, we have to get special permission to fly a drone over a jail. It's not something that we say, well, we're facilities management, we can do whatever we want. Well, no, you can get a drone shot down that way. So we have to be very, very careful about what we do, and when we do things, and use the right technology at the right point in time.